I-announce tayo. During the summer activities, of course, headed by Consider that way, the from March 5 to May 30, 2012, please submit it to the barangay and to the office of the ABC. The inahin tayo as one of the summer activities. Okay? March 5 to May 30. Kailangan di ay tourism council letter. Okay? We will include it as one of the summer activities of the city. And then the cleanest and cleanest barangay. Of course, na ibaganda na ito kada kayo. So, at the beginning ng attendance, yes. Preparation period na you will be until March 31. So, you still have time to prepare. Lahat na instant ko kung ano yung nakakulay din. One day before the judging that kakagulang ang formula ni Sagsabo. Of course, that will be one of the considerations. And hindi na magkanuwan yun sa, we consider the banda is, yung mundo na judging will be through the district. Nagbibinunod tayo ang district coordinators, whatever hindi makabunod, let's say district 1, at nabunod na si district 5, the full barangay of district 1 will be the one to judge. Okay, barangay within district 5. All the 128 barangays will be involved. So ano yung magpagasmas, kami magkakawat, kami mga sinimali. Because automatic, all the 128 barangays will be involved in. So as then the second level of judging will be the city level judging. We'll be calling the NGOs to maging very expert to the judging. Meaning every district will have one representative. So 20 districts will be vying for the cleanest and cleanest. Siguro, as per the nangyari the last year, up to 10. Up to 10 ba nila yung awarded din? Up to 10 barangays. So that's 20 barangays, and these barangays will represent their district. Meaning, kung sinabi, nangabak na barangay na represent the district ko, para mapintasan, because you will be representing your respective districts. Okay? And then, sa ibagang kasay ni Lupong Tagapamayan pa Incentive Awards, kanahin mo din yung NPIC. Pinapili na barangay sa kapasita, 26 countries that participate out of the 128. The assessment and validation is start from March 12 to March 20. So, that hindi nag-participate at that hindi nag-participate at saka na kayo, prepare your documents. And then, the synchronized election, kami din magpagating yung pantay, nung matuloy, so talagang ay porsigitan, the synchronized election of the national, local, and the barangays, that would mean,ag-fight tayo kung si candidacy tayo October.
October, Mayo.
May. But I asked this question to no less than Secretary Robredo. Hindi iso ni my guest speaker tayo during the National League meeting. I was there. Tinawag ko, Mr. Secretary, would it mean that if the synchronized election will push through, ibig sabihin pati kami mga barangay officials, magpapay kami ng October? Ang sagot na is, wala pa namang batas na ipapasas. Because supposed to be, we'll be having our election as stated in that army, October of 2013, di ba? So, kailangan mo ng isang batas para i-amend yung existing batas. I don't know how they will do it kung meron pa silang panahon. So, most likely, kung hindi tayo mag-synchronize, baka sa October tayo of 2013. Anyhow, yung National League officers are working hard para hindi tayo
October 13 na talaga mo yan.
Dinalo namin kung ang kompeleng na kaya. Bakit kung isasahin tayo sa people's paper na yun, ang haba-haba na nun. Baka awapay ang tutusun si Senator sa Senator Parker Pisa ang si Senator. Or, ikinado lang si utos na may baitlan, di ba ba? Ikinado yung sa di ba? So, at naman sila yung pagbagastay ng senators like Senator Coco Pimentel. So they told us that they will discuss this thoroughly. As much as possible, ang ako mga synchronize di dyan election. Kasi maawasan diyan pagka tayo ng partisanship. We will be forced to join a political party. No, magpulbit din tayo synchronized election. So, at dati ibang barangay captain ang laban ng barangay, hindi tayo. Kanya-kanyang partido, highly politicized to the election ng barangay. Jadi natin makikita tayo na natin nakikipagmatiyan na synchronized election. Yan tayo maganda nga po.
Nalipatak si report din ang parang cervical man din sinalo, total na tax niya ako, congressman. Alam mo na, din ang parang din sinalo. This is about the amendment of the city, and malaki view, sinuportaran yung data, dati suportan di na kayo na barangay officials. Now, the important thing yan, kapulisan malipakan, one, yung panaka-season di boundary conflict na yung hindi tuwa. Na isa sa, kung i-relocate mo silang area ng Bagyo, 3/4 the municipal building ng party hindi Bagyo rin na. Ang area si Jai party di Bagyo. Ang termat isunga. Ibulos na yung kanakwada si Jai na makapul ang namasukatan. Tapos ang area ni Bagyo will not decrease. Yeah. Number 2, na important yan. May cut na Jai is in mode of acquiring alienable and disposable public land. Kaya na nakawag, direct award ang nagigyan actual occupants or qualified applicants loading na alienable and disposable ang parte di town side reservation team. So mana kayong makakapsat nga ang kaya na natin tulungan din yan nyo pending the application nyo itadiinan, diretso nga i-award kayo. Now, at dati, ang public bidding, at dati bidding, at exceptional circumstance, iti sitwasyon may nadagasan unoccupied for 2 or more are applying for it, isuga na ang nag-apply siya, isuga din ang bid, confidential bidding. Nilang di panagyan. Now, kunana ni ako, Marcos, kurmana ni technical committee, tatlo, araminin din yan, final draft na may submitat na nakwada. Tapos, number 1 nga, i-iron out tayo, ada basit, problema iti city kan DNR. Malakit yun. Yan, iti propose, iti ang gamasat ta, the chairman the awards committee, secretary of DNR. Members, executive director team, land management bureau. And then, of course, the CTMO, and then the regional executive director. No kital, meeting tayo. Nag-asap no, at then maminsang no mayang the secretary of DNR na mag-attend sa meeting. So nga, nag-contoc iti meeting the awards committee that will explain the reason why na kayo, o sino pala kayo niya, at dating isina nga, 40 years, 35 years, kung ganang taksa, di pa na, napituruan. In the meantime, yung itinalain, left and right, na kailangan ka hindi, looting, adeta. So nga, work on the part of the city, ang nga obligado di kaya tao nga acquire the real property tax. Because under the law, it's only when it is awarded to you that you are obligated to pay the real property tax. Kung buwis ang lang, improvement mo. Yes, the city is obligated to deliver the infrastructure services to the barangay. So nga, talaga makasunti, discrepancy na, naman na siya. But the typical working group, isang service tayo nga, ito yung bagyo na magtrabaho, tapos, naging on the part of the city, trabaho kayo, appointaran niya ako, Marcos, together with the DNR. Now, the free patent law, dito lang tayo dito, unang itiman, dito tayo i-implementar tayo. Ngayon, nalawlawag mo kami niya ng ikaluban ng 200 square meters or below. Suma, silang ang liman pag sinakawatan hindi na, ang muda lang ang ruder na more than 200, dapat na tao subdivide yung mo, tatlong qualified kay Jeffrey Pass into issue. Isuruan na niya tao to self-convince dalaw nga nalawlawag doon na 200 square meters in kilo. Diyan, pinapasama medical man. Importante, may ni Apple Leonora Kinen, ang nagsigiling kami Kinen. May pimali dyan ni Dr. Lorenzo Pilando. Akat patanda ni Apo Congressman, medyo ipagpagata negatif. Dati ang muda, nabayag nga ikaklamor na mati, dimanda, may cut iti public bidding, iti award iti alienable and disposable public land. Kung isumang putak, kuna, apa yang niya function nyo. Anak, kastor kuna. Eksakto maisulti adat ka. Bil, iyon tumumbak sa akin na. Inala ko, ipakita, ikuan, ang palpalampak na, suportaran ni Garoteta. Nagmanifesta dapat nga, suportaran na. So nga, sabay ko ma, mailampas ni Jai, maprobaran, masip to, di talaga na, awarding iti dagdaga kanagay qualified occupants o no qualified applicants. Tapno, masidal tayo ti issue, ti ownership, at one, itidagdaga iti bagyo, maminimize tayo ti land speculation, pati squatting, maminimize. At the same time, agbayad tayo mo, itiriyang property taxes tayo iti city, ay, dumakdak sa income iti city that will return to us in the form of practice. So yes, yan ang thank you.